Hi, my name is Priscilla, and this is Toddler Time with Priscilla. Happy holidays, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Toddler Time. To celebrate this holiday season, I will show you and your little one how to make a snowman that can be displayed as holiday decor. Here's what you'll need. Strips of white paper, black and orange paper, glue, tape, scissors, googly eyes. Start by grabbing your black paper and cutting a hat out of it. You can freehand it or look for a template. Next, grab the orange paper and cut out a triangle. Grab a strip of white paper and tape both ends together. Pick a spot on the tape paper and glue the black hat, orange triangle, and two googly eyes. This will be the top of the decor. Next, start taping the other white strips to your desired length. And here is the final project. You can display this in your home or give it to someone special as a gift. We hope you have a great time creating this with your little ones. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media accounts so you don't miss out on our next fun Toddler Time activity. Until next time, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged. Bye!